Footwork first. 7. 1, 2, 3. 5. Crossbody. Direction change on 3 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1. In and out Susie Q. 3. Susie Q and plus. 3. 5, 6 with a spiral. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. We doing flare. 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yes? So Susie Q's all the way until the end. We do flare. Partner work. I can concentrate. Look at him.
I get it.
5, 6. Basic close position. 1. We use the crossbody, letting the follow go through. We change directions. 5, 6. Boom. By 7, you're turned to do open break, outside turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. Yes, so the open break has to really go down, not up here. Down. And then once you finish, clear the way. 3. Yes? So from here. 1, 2, 3. I go with her. 6, 7. Drop it like it's hot. 3, 5, 6, and 7. And we're ready to do copation. 1, 2. Follows go all the way forward. 5, 6, 7. Allow us to bring you back. Instead of you doing that for us. Check. 2, 3. Outside turn. 5, 6, 7. Crossbody into hammerlock with a double. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I forgot to place the hand there. Mm-hmm. That was my bad. It's always the least fall. Yes? See? I go here. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3. Turn around. 5, 6, 7. Follows. Your 7 is your left. Finish your basic. 1, 3. Outside. Turn. And after you're done, send her out. Away. 5, 6, 7.
Beautiful.
Yes?